Looking for pretty girl makeup for this Christmas? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider when looking for the perfect gift. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below and choose your favorite one. Number 1. This collection of fun, beautiful lip glosses was made to take your lips to the next level. No matter what your skin tone is or what style you rock, we have a lip gloss for you. From glamour light shades to sophisticated dark shades, choose from 7 different lip glosses that will give you that ready-to-go look day in and day out, by Prettygirl. Number 2, Prettygirl Makeup Lip Gloss, Love of All Loves, another great product by Prettygirl. Number 3, Prettygirl Makeup Lip Gloss, Rich Husband. Christmas 2018 is almost here. Click this link below for more great offers and gift ideas. Get yours now.